ITI जमशेदपुर में जो वेल्डिंग इंडस्ट्री के ऊपर, वेल्डिंग कैरियर के ऊपर, यानी वेल्डिंग जैसा सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर में जो आज सेमिनार हो रहा है, हमें लगता है कि देश विदेश के बहुत से लोग आज प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हैं। और सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है कि आज हम जिनके साथ खड़े हैं
एन कनक सबाई
और चेयरमैन है बॉम्बे ब्रांच से। तो अब इनसे सवाल पूछना चाहते हैं कि सर, वेल्डिंग इतना अच्छा कैरियर है और जिससे यूथ अपनी फ्यूचर बना सकते हैं, क्या कारण है कि आज वेल्डिंग जैसे क्षेत्र में नहीं आ रहा है?
Welding is a very important topic. It is the joining two different metals into a single piece. So, like stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, like that many materials can be joined. But in addition to that, nowadays for the some special materials we do the cladding and we do the additive manufacturing and all this. That is the theme of this today's seminar. These 3 days it is being organized. So Indian Institute of Welding is making a bridge between the Indian Institute, industry, and also the colleges where the students are involving. So students are not aware of what is the future. So Indian Institute of Welding is making the student chapter. Now so far I think that there are 15 student chapter are made. Mumbai is the one, Chennai is the one, and PWD, Baroda branch. So like that many branches are bringing the students into the institute so that they will understand what is the welding, what are the activities, what the career they can make in the welding. Many students are nowadays going for the IT professions where they are easily get job and other things. But always the core subject like welding is slow and steady, but it wins the race. So like that nowadays opportunities are made, and what are the things? These things are organized in this institute so that the students are brought in. Today, if you see, there are the 3 student chapters are given the best student chapter. One is the Father Agnel Washi, and another one is the Nashik SNJB College. So there's Baroda one more. So the 3 student chapter are being adjourned as the winner of that. So the students are given the opportunity. They were brought to the industrial visit. They are taken to the industries and lot of things the students can learn it, and then they can plan their career where they can go and all this. So the institute is making the like a bridge between the students where they are not aware of what is welding. They are bringing them and guiding them, coaching them, and making them to make the national building.
Sir, ask my question. Was the requirement of the Indian economic, because Indian economic first section was growing. So, student, why the future the welding sector?
See, everywhere the steel structure, steel activities are very important. So, if you see the lecture which is given by HLG Mr. Shivaj Bose, so China is the number 1 in world steel consumption. Second, though the quantity is very less, but China is next. India is the second largest utilizer. So we have to go into the utilize the material, and still we should grow up so that we should at least par with China utility. So for this only, the Institute of Welding is making the efforts to bring the future children into this fold so that they will understand what is the welding. If you are leaving them just like that, they will not know what is what. So this is being organized regularly, and then after some time they themselves will take care of the future of India.
Sir, welding, I know of the people steel welding, but present I plastic welding, aluminum welding. So difference of the steel and plastic.
There are many welding are there, even stainless steel to copper, aluminum to copper, So these are the techniques. It is to be developed from the research and development. I am ex-BRC, Bhavan Shakti Kendra, Mumbai. So we have the different special characters materials to be joined. So these things with the R&D, we develop the procedure how to build it and all. The same way, nowadays if you see the friction stir welding, it is taking the good development, aluminum to aluminum welding, aluminum to steel welding. So these things, different materials being, which we cannot do by the conventional welding, can be welded through the specialized welding processes. So as you told, plastic and other things also, the specialized welding which can be done. That 3D printing, even the skull can be made, and the knee joint, medical made, people are using, the knee joints are made. So all these things with the technology, additive manufacturing will be created.
Welding requirement is the ISRO,
ISRO.
DRDO.
That is all defense utility. ISRO is there leaving the Chandrayaan or like that. But DRDO also is coordinating with the similar defense activities. They are all the specialized materials, specialized things which they are doing. But certain things they cannot openly say they will do for the security point of view. But there are special building procedures, techniques are being developed. DRDO, ISRO, our BRC, IT Kalpakam. So like that, many places things are being done.
Present the Indian welding technology world over world, who's the number India?
See, as I told you, India is the number 2 compared to China. China is more than 50%. Mr. Rituraj Bose has shown the election. Ours is around 7%. We should improve our utility.
थैंक यू सर। तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि वेल्डिंग कितना महत्वपूर्ण है। इसकी जगह हर जगह, इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट हर जगह, चाहे इसरो हो, चाहे भाभा अनुसंधान केंद्र हो, उसमें और आने वाले कैरियर में नए नए कोर्स आ रहे हैं। वेल्डिंग के बगैर में कोई भी इंडस्ट्री, कोई भी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आगे बढ़ ही नहीं सकता है। और भारत जिस प्रकार वेल्डिंग में भी नए नए इन्वेंशन खोज रहा है, आने वाले समय में हमें लगता है कि वो चाइना को भी पीछे कर देगा। और यही टेक्निक आज हमारे साथ समझाने के लिए देश और विदेश के बड़े बड़े शोध पेपर आज जमशेदपुर SNTI में आए हैं और सर भी आए हैं अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए। तो आप वेल्डिंग में भी करियर बना सकते हैं। AD लाइव वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। AD लाइव को पूरी टीम को सभी को धन्यवाद। जोहार।